I will show you 5 ways to decorate Easter eggs. Hello! Welcome to Enzo TVidz. My name is Enzo. Today, we're gonna color and decorate Easter eggs. First, you need to boil the eggs. Make sure you have a grown-up helping you. Make sure the eggs are hard-boiled. For coloring the eggs, you can use a kit, or if you don't have one, you can use food dyes. For decorations, we will use stickers, googly eyes, leaves, and stockings. Cool the eggs before coloring. Now let's prepare our coloring kit. First, you have to put the vinegar in each cup except the pink one. Here we go. Okay, that's good. Next one. There we go. Now I have to put the water in the cups. Ready to color the eggs. First, you have to put the egg on the egg holder. Then, dip it in the colors for 5 minutes. So gently take it out and put it over here to dry. Now, let me show you different ways to decorate the eggs. You take a white crayon and draw some interesting designs on your egg before coloring it. It may look like it does not work. Well, it will work. Careful, let's put it in. We'll just leave it there in the colored water for 5 more minutes. Look at the white scribbles. Another way to decorate your egg is by putting stickers. Make sure you stick it on really tight. Press it on really well. Make sure you don't break the egg. Leave it for 5 minutes. And later we're going to peel those stickers off. Now let's take off the stickers. Oh no, my stars did not show. You can cut strips of tape and put it around the egg to make a pattern. Isn't it nice? The next way, I'll ask my mom to show you. You take a leaf or two and place it on the egg. Then, put the egg and the leaf inside the stocking. Tie both ends really tight. Now we get to dip this wool for 5 minutes also. This is the pattern you'll get. So pretty. The next decoration I want to show you is the ombre effect. First, you dip the bottom half of the egg in one color. I'm using pink. Then you take it out and flip it. Then you dip the egg halfway into another colored water, like blue. And ta-da! Nice ombre effect. So cool. And finally, you can put googly eyes on the egg and draw a smile. And now we're done! Coloring and decorating eggs for Easter was a lot of fun, don't you think? I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Enzo TVidz.